Alright, what's going on, guys? This is DJ coming at you with another video. In today's video, I want to talk to you about an update that's come out for the Logi Options Plus software. People have been having a lot of issues with this software not functioning properly, and Logitech came out with a message saying that they known about the issue. The issue basically was because I think the licensing didn't flip over for the new year. So I believe on the 6th of January, people started having issues with it working. I was using the mouse and keyboard option, and I started to realize that it wasn't working properly whenever I would try to edit and use Final Cut and a lot of those softwares that I have connected to it. So this is a way to fix that problem so you won't have to deal with it going forward. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to come to the website, the Logitech software update. At the top of the screen, it'll tell you for the Logi Options Plus, there's a known issue for Logi Options Plus on macOS. Click the link below and download on the installer. So we're going to download. You scroll down here and it's saying download the update patch here. So we're going to let that download. What happened is the Logi Option installer has been updated. So I'm opening up the software. Okay, now the software has been opened, it's configuring. And there you go. Okay, hopefully this is the end to the issues we're having with this. If you guys enjoy the content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.